Hi guys, it's Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a dumbbell lying hamstring curl. To start off, you're going to grab your dumbbell and you're going to place it on the floor where your feet are going to be in front of the bench. So now you're going to put your feet on top of the dumbbell, using your feet to kind of like clasp onto the dumbbell. Now you're going to lie down flat on the bench. Your dumbbell should now be secure in between your feet. You're going to hold on to the bench, squeezing your core tight. You're going to bend your knees and bring that dumbbell all the way up, using those hamstrings to curl the dumbbell up. Make sure not to use too heavy of a weight to start, because sometimes when the dumbbell is in between your feet, it does have a tendency to slide out depending on the shape and size of your dumbbell. Your stomach should be nice and flat on the bench. And that is a lying dumbbell hamstring curl.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!